concept of the Hypernaked motorcycle has evolved rapidly over the last decade, transforming from simple, stripped-down sport bikes into highly specialized machines boasting astronomical power and sophisticated electronics. Yet, amidst a sea of aggressive competitors, one name consistently holds the crown for pure riding emotional connection and dynamic excellence: the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 1100. For 2026, Aprilia has carefully honed this street-fighting icon, ensuring that it meets the latest global emission standards without sacrificing an ounce of its legendary mechanical soul. It stands as an absolute masterpiece of balance, prioritizing usable real-world torque, predictive technology, and an elite chassis configuration over chasing headline-grabbing power statistics that can only be safely explored on a closed circuit. This machine remains the definitive standard for what a premium performance naked bike should be, offering an uncompromising blend of superbike performance and everyday street usability. Design and ergonomics. The aesthetic philosophy of the 2026 Tuono V4 Factory firmly sets it apart from traditional naked bikes that often suffer from high-speed instability due to minimalist, bar-mounted headlight clusters. Aprilia utilizes a frame-mounted upper fairing structure that effectively slices through the air, isolating the steering assembly from wind blast and enhancing high-speed composure. The most striking visual updates for 2026 are the prominent, dual-layered aerodynamic winglets seamlessly integrated into the front fairing panels. Borrowed directly from the brand's extensive data in the MotoGP racing paddock, these winglets are engineered to push the front tire hard into the asphalt, dramatically increasing front-end confidence during rapid corner entry and preventing unexpected wheel lift under hard acceleration. Features and technology. Stepping up to the cockpit reveals a premium 5-inch full-color TFT instrument console that utilizes advanced optical bonding technology. By removing the air gap behind the protective outer glass layer, the screen completely eliminates annoying glare, ensuring that your vital telemetry remains perfectly legible even under the harsh glare of direct afternoon sunlight. The interface features highly intuitive graphic layouts, including a race-oriented dashboard configuration that emphasizes a lap timer, real-time lean angle indicators, and traction management parameters over a standard speedometer. The true genius of the 2026 model lies in its predictive electronic framework, managed by a high-speed Magneti Marelli 11MP engine control unit and a robust 6-axis inertial sensor. Unlike traditional rider aids that merely react after a tire breaks traction or a wheel lift is detected, Aprilia's new predictive algorithms continuously analyze historical rider inputs and current chassis behaviors to smoothly reduce power before an unstable slide or unwanted wheelie can disrupt your momentum. Engine and transmission performance. The emotional core of this legendary motorcycle is undeniably its unique 65-degree V4 engine configuration, boasting a true displacement of 1099 cc. Breathing through massive 50-toom throttle bodies, this engineering marvel produces a spectacular 180 horsepower at 11,800 RPM and a muscular peak torque output of 89 pound-feet at 9,650 RPM. While it is true that a handful of supercharged or hyper-tuned rivals claim slightly higher peak horsepower numbers on a dyno sheet, the Tuono dominates real-world riding by delivering an extraordinarily fat, linear torque curve that pulls violently from as low as 4,000 revs all the way to its screaming redline. Handling and suspension. Chassis design has long been Aprilia's definitive trump card, and the Tuono V4 Factory utilizes a direct descendant of the legendary twin-spar aluminum frame that won multiple world championships. The motorcycle possesses an uncanny ability to communicate exactly how much grip is available at the front tire contact patch, inspiring an unmatched level of rider confidence. Weighing in at 465 pounds with a full tank of fuel, the machine carries its mass incredibly low within the frame, making it feel surprisingly light on its feet and remarkably stable when leaned over at extreme angles. Handling duties are managed by the gold standard of semi-active suspension technology, the Erhlen Smart EC2 system. This intelligent system utilizes an event-based damping logic that constantly monitors road imperfections and rider inputs, altering the compression and rebound characteristics of the 43 upside-down forks and rear monoshock within fractions of a second. Riders can easily toggle between fully automated active suspension modes that adjust on the fly or fixed manual modes that simulate traditional, highly tuned mechanical clickers. Stopping performance is equally authoritative, relying on dual 313 front brake discs grabbed by high-end radial Brembo calipers, all backed by an intelligent multi-map cornering ABS safety net. Fuel consumption. With a large displacement, high-revving four-cylinder engine tuned explicitly for high-performance deployment, fuel economy is understandably a secondary consideration. Under mixed real-world riding scenarios encompassing highway cruising and casual city traveling, the 2026 Tuono V4 factory achieves an estimated fuel economy figure of roughly 33 miles per gallon. Aggressive track riding or spirited canyon carving will cause that number to drop significantly. Fortunately, the beautifully sculpted 4.8-gallon fuel cell provides an entirely reasonable cruising range of approximately 140 to 150 miles before the low fuel warning lamp prompts a stop at the gas pump, which matches the typical riding patterns of most sport bike enthusiasts. Pros and cons. Pros: the characterful V4 engine delivers a deeply addictive exhaust note and unmatched mid-range acceleration. Pros: the semi-active Erhlen suspension provides a magic carpet ride quality without sacrificing track-level handling precision. Pros: advanced predictive electronics intervene with incredible subtlety to keep the motorcycle stable and fast. Pros: high-speed front-end stability is immensely improved by the functional MotoGP-derived aerodynamic winglets. Cons: fuel efficiency remains quite low compared to more conservative parallel twin or inline-4 configurations. Cons: unlocking the full potential of the GPS-based corner-by-corner track software requires an additional in-app financial purchase. Cons: the absolute wet weight is slightly higher than the most minimalistic naked bikes in the class. Price. Reflecting its position as a premium Italian motorcycle built with top-tier components, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 1100 demands a significant investment. In the United Kingdom market, the machine is offered at an official base retail price of £18,950 sterling. Prospective buyers across the European market will find a base price of €20,999 across standard regions such as Italy, Germany, France, and Belgium, with slight variations up to €21,199 in Portugal and €22,049 in Spain to accommodate localized taxation structures. For North American riders, the price holds steady around $19,500.